Hey everyone, welcome back. Today in this video we're diving into a problem that every Windows user dreads, the blue screen of death, also known as BSOD. But don't worry, I've got some simple and effective solution to help you fix it. Let's get started. Okay, if your PC keeps crashing, the first thing you should do is restart in safe mode. This mode starts your computer with only the essential drivers and programs, making it easier to troubleshoot. To enter safe mode, press Shift and restart your PC for entering the Win recovery. In this screen, press Troubleshoot. After that, press Advanced option and click on Startup. In here, we must press F4, or we can do it from the easy way. Restart your PC and press F8 before the Windows logo appears. From there, select Safe Mode or Safe Mode with Networking. After that, we must check our outdated or corrupt drives. To fix this, go to your device manager, right-click on any devices with a yellow triangle, and choose Update Driver. It's also a good idea to visit the manufacturer website for the latest drivers. Next up, let's run a system file checker or SFC scan. This handy tool checks for and repair corrupted system files. For that, open the command prompt as an administrator and type sfc/scan now. Let the scan complete and follow any instruction that pop up. Thing that we should check it out is our hardware. If your hardware is failing, it can definitely cause a BSOD. Start by running the Windows Memory Diagnostic tool to check your RAM. You can also run a disk check by typing chkdsk/c/r in the command prompt. This tool will help you identify if a hardware component is the problem. In the next steps, let us scan our PC for malware. Malware is another common culprit behind BSOD. Run a full system scan using Windows Defender or your favorite antivirus software. If anything malicious is detected, quarantine or remove it right away. In the next, we should check our Windows updates. Windows updates aren't just about new features, they also include critical fixes and security patches. Go to your setting, click on Update and Security, and make sure you're running the latest version of Windows. Sometimes a simple update is all you need. If your BSOD starts happening after a recent change, System Restore can save the date. I'll roll your system back to a time when everything was working fine. Just press Shift and restart your computer. Follow the next steps. If all else fails, reinstalling Windows might be your best bet. This should be a last resort, so make sure to back up all your important files before it starts. A fresh install can clear up any deep issue and give you a clean slate. And there you have it. Those are some of the most effective ways to fix a BSOD on your Windows PC. If this video helped you out, hit that like button, subscribe for more tech tips, and leave a comment if you have any questions. Thank you for your watching, and I'll be catch you in the next video.